Lasagna is one of those dishes everyone loves but thinks takes forever to make. Most recipes feel like they require a degree in pasta engineering. Let me break it down for you. Quick, easy, but still ridiculously good. The first trick? Skip boiling your noodles. Yep, just skip it. No-boil lasagna sheets are a game changer. They cook perfectly in the oven, and it saves you about 20 minutes, and probably a lot of extra dishes. Trust me, no one will know. Start with the sauce. Grab a jar of your favorite marinara and a pound of ground beef or Italian sausage. Brown the meat, drain the fat, and stir in the marinara. That takes about 10 minutes tops, but the flavor? Incredible. And half the work is already done. Now onto the cheese. Mix 1 cup of ricotta, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella, and a 1/4 cup of Parmesan in a bowl. For extra flavor, toss in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning or chopped fresh parsley if you've got it lying around. Here's the best part. Assembly. Spread a thin layer of sauce at the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch baking dish to prevent sticking. Lay down a layer of no-boil noodles. Don't stress if they don't fit perfectly. They'll expand in the oven. Next, spread a layer of your cheese mixture, followed by a layer of meat sauce. Repeat the process, noodles, cheese, sauce, until you're out of ingredients. Save a handful of mozzarella to sprinkle on top for that golden, bubbly finish. Cover the whole thing tightly with aluminum foil, but here's the trick. Spray the foil with a bit of cooking spray so it doesn't stick to the cheese. Bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, then uncover and bake for another 20 minutes. When your whole kitchen smells like an Italian grandmother's house, you know you're on to something. Let it rest for at least 10 minutes before cutting. This step is mandatory unless you enjoy lasagna soup. If you're short on time during the week, assemble it ahead of time, cover it tightly, and pop it in the fridge. It'll keep for 2 days and actually tastes even better after the flavors meld together. Pro tip, want to make it slightly healthier or sneak in veggies? Layer in spinach or zucchini slices alongside the noodles. It ups the nutrients without sacrificing taste. A sneaky win for parents everywhere. This recipe yields about 8 generous servings, which means leftovers. And the best part? Lasagna somehow tastes even better reheated. It's like magic. Just toss a portion in the microwave or oven, and it's good as new. So there you have it. Quick, easy lasagna that'll make people think you spent hours on it. No stress, minimal cleanup, and maximum flavor. You'll feel like a hero every single time you serve it.